was super gross.
Now!
Leo! I don't want to interrupt, but...
Lava!
You know what Perseus never had? A weaponized selfie.
Do you think they could have survived that?
Nope.
How do you kill a ghost?
Leo's right. Let's give up.
No, because we know now there is a way. Medusa. She can kill ghosts, right? We give her a taste of her own medicine and bang!